Welcome back to the 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Today we're going to be doing a movement called Grasping Sparrow's Tail. It's written as Grasping Bird's Tail, so I'm going to call it Grasping Bird's Tail. The bird can be envisioned as a swallow, a pheasant, a peacock, or a phoenix, having a very long tail to grasp. And we're going to start off with holding a ball. We're just going to do the upper body movement. So follow me as if I am your reflection in the mirror. Right hand on top of the ball, left hand on the bottom. We're going to turn to the right, a little bit or a lot. Let's try a little bit. Bottom hand comes up and out. And we're going to turn 45 degrees, and we're going to start carrying the ball up into the corner. We turn the body back to the other side, and this arm rolls back, carrying the ball. Carry it up, press it forward. Separate the hands and sink, and push. Turning to the other side, left hand on top, right hand on the bottom, turning to the side, rotating the ball, carrying it up in the corner, turning back to the side, rolling back with the arm and up, and pressing forward, separate, sink, and push. That is the upper body movement. Let us link that with the lower body movement. So if we shift our weight, turn out the toe, and we come up and step in and hold the ball. Left hand on the bottom, right hand on top. The left hand and left foot are going to go out. Carry the ball up. Shift the weight to the front. Shift the weight to the back as you turn to the side, carrying the ball up. Shifting the weight forward as you turn back to the front. Separate. Sink your weight back and down. Shift your weight to the front and out as you push. Now we can step back, hold the ball, left hand on top, right hand on the bottom, step in and turn. Step out, carry the ball up, grasping bird's tail. All these movements together are like a mini Tai Chi form called grasping bird's tail. Stepping back, inhale, hold the ball. Exhale, up into the corner. Exhale, back and up as we inhale, and then exhale. Inhale, separate. Exhale, push forward. Stepping back, holding the ball. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. And we're going to turn side to side, and we're going to do grasping bird's tail left and right. Okay. So step in, hold the ball. Left hand on the bottom, right hand on the top. The left foot is going to step back into the left. We're going to shift our weight as we turn. We're going to turn out the back heel, up, shifting our weight back, forward, back. The forward position is the direction that we're headed. Shifting our weight forward, shifting our weight back, turning the foot, stepping in, holding the ball, turning to the other side. Inhale, exhale, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in. Exhale, carry the ball up to the corner, shifting the weight back, turn, shift, push, 90-degree turn, holding the ball, 90-degree turn, up, back, forward, sink, push. Grasping bird style. Practice this one a lot. There's a lot of coordination, a lot of different layers, upper body, lower body. Turning, shifting weight. Concentrate on the shifting weight. Let the breathing come last. Thank you for joining me.